How's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm making MIZUTAKI, one of the most popular variations for Japanese hot pot. You know, MIZUTAKI is originally from Hakata, the biggest city in Kyushu Isle, but it's not diagonal anymore. Now it's so popular here, everywhere in Japan. You know, to make it is super easy and the taste is super yummy. So why don't we try making it? You know, the ingredients for MIZUTAKI is only 5. The first one is chicken thigh. The second one is mizuna or Chinese cabbage, but I'll use mizuna this time. The third one is green onion. Fourth one is some kind of mushroom. Shiitake, shimeji, magic mushroom, any kind of mushroom you like will be okay. And the last one, fifth, is cut tofu. And it won't be in the hot pot, but you definitely have to have ponzu, which is kind of seasoned soup. You need it when you eat the MIZUTAKI. We got 4 steps to make MIZUTAKI. Step number 1 is to cut all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces. Step 2 is to pour 5 cups of water, bit of chicken soup powder, I believe it will be 1 tablespoon, along with the cut chicken thigh, and bring it to a boil with high heat. When it's boiled, turn down the heat into medium and remove the scum. Step 3 is to put all the last ingredients into the pot when the chicken is cooked. Plus add half cup of sake, 2 tablespoons of milling, 1 tablespoon of another chicken soup powder, plus a bit of pepper. That's it! Super easy, isn't it? Why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is cut all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces. I recommend you to use this lid or pot to keep the ingredients. You know, I start out with mizuna, but the order is all up to you. Be sure to cut all other ingredients before you cut the chicken. Okay, it's done. And then keep it on the lid of the pot, you know, like this. Yeah, keep going. And the second one I cut is green onion. Yeah, make a slant cut to green onion. Slant cut like this. Yeah, the green onion is ready. Why don't you go on to mushroom stuff? Yeah, go on to mushroom. Throw away the root and then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Keep it on the lid of the pot. You know, now the half of the ingredients are ready. I don't think you need to cut the tofu at this stage. You can cut it later. So why don't we go on to the chicken stuff? Yeah, I'm cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now the chicken is ready. So why don't we go on to step 2? Yeah, step 2 is to pour 5 cups of water and with 1 tablespoon of chicken soup stock powder, and put the cut chicken thigh in the pot and bring it to a boil with high heat. Now it's boiled, so why don't we turn down the heat to medium and remove the scums. You know, after you finish removing the scums and the chicken goes nice and brown, it's time to go on to step 3. Step 3 is to put all the other ingredients into the hot pot. Yeah, it's time to put the tofu as well. Okay, you can cut the tofu on your palm. Please be careful not to cut yourself. That's it. Okay. Plus put half cup of sake, 2 tablespoons of milling, another chicken soup powder, plus a bit of pepper. Right, that's it. So why don't we heat it for another few minutes with the lid on. Okay, I guess now the MIZUTAKI is ready. There's a sign here. You got small hole, hot steam, rise up high. That your MIZUTAKI is ready now. Oh yeah, it looks great. Great, isn't it? So So why don't we move it to the table? Right, I moved the MIZUTAKI to the table. You see it's still boiling. So why don't you pour some ponzu in a small plate. Then scoop the MIZUTAKI. Yeah, it looks great, isn't it? Yeah, that's the one. That's the MIZUTAKI Japanese hot pot. It's ready to eat. Alright, now you know to make MIZUTAKI Japanese hot pot isn't that difficult. And I believe it will warm you up in a cold winter night. So why don't you try it at your home? Okay, thanks for watching. Please put thumbs up button and leave some messages down below and subscribe. I'll be happy to see that. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. See you, take good care. Arigato, bye bye.